We live in a world where new technology emerges every day, constantly making our old gadgets and ways of doing things obsolete. But just because something is outdated doesn't mean it's useless or inferior. In fact, some old-school items are better than their modern replacements in many ways. Let's take a look at some obsolete things that are actually awesome and deserve a second chance. Who knows, you might just rediscover an old favorite. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Analog charm. Sure, smartwatches are packed with features, but there's something uniquely satisfying about an analog watch's classic design. Not only are they often more durable and repairable than digital watches, but that traditional watch face just looks way cooler on your wrist. Number 2. CD superiority. Streaming is convenient, but anyone who loves great audio knows CDs simply sound better. That crisp, rich quality from a compact disc is something digital files can't quite replicate. Plus, playing a CD taps into a nostalgic ritual that makes listening to albums more immersive. Number 3. Fireplace bliss. Central heating evenly warms your house, but there's nothing quite like curling up with a cozy fire. A crackling wood-burning fireplace adds soothing ambience and rustic charm that radiant heat can't match. Not to mention, it's an environmentally friendly heating option. Number 4. Hammer time. Nail guns are efficient, but sometimes you just need the simple satisfaction of swinging an old-fashioned hammer. Not only is it more reliable, but there's an unbeatable tactile joy to pounding those nails in by hand. Number 5. Hot water bottle. Warmth electric heating pads are convenient, but a classic hot water bottle offers unmatched coziness. Just fill it up, and you've got an ultra-portable, no batteries needed way to soothe aches or keep toasty all night long. Number 6. Landline reliability. While cell phones are a modern necessity, it's smart to keep an old landline phone as a reliable backup. Landlines never drop a call due to poor reception when your mobile phone won't work. Number 7. Vinyl revival. In the age of digital music, vinyl records have made a huge comeback for their unbeatable sound quality and vintage vibe. There's nothing quite like the rich warmth from a record player's crackling speakers. Number 8. VCR novelty. Digital video is incredibly convenient, but there's vintage charm to those chunky VCR tapes. Popping one into an old-school VCR and watching it shakily rewind is a nostalgic novelty. Number 9. Alarms awaken. Extending your arm to smack the top button on a classic analog alarm clock is a supremely satisfying way to start your day. Announcing the morning in a way gently tapping a phone screen simply can't match. Number 10. Retro gaming. Why get the latest console when you can revisit 8-bit and 16-bit gems like Super Mario, Zelda, or Tetris? Those retro games have a beautifully simplistic magic that modern titles can't replicate, making them pure nostalgic joy to play. Number 11. Arcade euphoria. Online multiplayer is cool, but nothing beats the energy of a real pinball or arcade experience. Standing at those big cabinets, mashing buttons, and hearing 8-bit soundtracks is an unbeatable interactive thrill that every gamer needs to experience. Number 12. Board game bonding. In our screen-obsessed world, board games force us to disconnect and bond over quality face-to-face time with loved ones. It's Monopoly, new favorites like Codenames, or inside jokes between tosses that board games deliver irreplaceable social fun. Number 13. Film artistry. While convenient, digital cameras can't match the artistic beauty and intentionality of a vintage film camera. Slowing down to manually adjust settings and imperfectly wind film creates uniquely grainy, unpredictable snapshots that hone your creative skills. Number 14. Polaroid magic. There's something magical about the nostalgic charm and instant gratification of a Polaroid camera. Watching your photo slowly develop right before your eyes is an experience you just don't get with digital. Number 15. Planner permanence. For all their convenience, digital calendars can feel fleeting. In contrast, handwriting appointments into a trusty paper planner solidifies your schedule, making each commitment feel more tangible and concrete. Number 16. Leather longevity. The iconic leather jacket is the epitome of effortless cool that never goes out of style. Made of high-quality leather that ages beautifully, These rugged staples look amazing and can literally last decades with proper care. Number 17. Denim durability. Skinny jeans, bootcut, baggy, torn, or patched, denim always comes back because jeans are simply the perfect casual wardrobe staple. Starting with that rugged, lived-in look, they only get better with age, making them a comfy classic you'll wear forever. Number 18. Typewriter therapy. In our world of hurried digital messages, using a typewriter creates soulful, meditative writing sessions, free of distractions. That rhythmic clicking transports you into a therapeutic state of creative flow that's tough to replicate on a screen. Number 19. Postcard penmanship. In this era of emails and texts, there's something quaintly charming about sending a good old-fashioned postcard. That personal penmanship and anticipation of its arrival is an unbeatable experience. Number 20. MapQuest. GPS proves incredibly handy, yet few things compare to the simple joy of unfolding a well-creased roadmap. Tracing routes with your finger and spotting interesting spots along the way makes travel feel like an adventure. Number 21. Bicycle bliss. Electric bikes offer assisted pedaling, but there's something joyfully simple about self-propelled cycling. Not only is it an eco-friendly way to get around, but pedal bikes provide an unbeatable workout too. Number 22. Remote control ease. Smart home automation is powerful, but also complex. Sometimes you just want the straightforward convenience of an ordinary remote control to easily navigate your TV, stereo, or other devices. Number 23. Homemade ice cream. Store-bought is easy, but no mass-produced pint can compare to the decadent delight of homemade ice cream. Lovingly crafted from quality ingredients, each bite is rich, creamy perfection you can't find anywhere else. Number 24. Menu musings. Digital ordering is efficient, but printed menus add satisfying tangibility to the restaurant experience. Holding that physical object and reading enticing descriptions makes deciding what to eat that much more delicious. Number 25. Book escapism. While ebooks are convenient, there's something special about holding a real, inky paperback. Getting delightfully lost in those printed pages taps into a cozy, nostalgic feeling that digital reading can't provide. Number 26. Rotary reminiscence. Push-button phones are standard now, but there's something satisfying about the nostalgic clunkiness of an old rotary phone. Dialing those numbers manually is a charming retro ritual. Number 27. Payphone presence. With our constant mobile connectivity, payphones may seem obsolete, but they provide a reassuring public lifeline in emergencies or just for a satisfying low-tech call whenever needed. Number 28. Projector pizzas. While sleek flat screens are great, there's an unmatched ambience and larger-than-life experience you get from an old-school projector setup. Dim the lights and immerse yourself in that nostalgic projection magic. Number 29. Floppy disk durability. Old floppy disks seem laughably low-tech now, but they were built to be incredibly durable for data storage and transportation. Sometimes simplicity and toughness trump high capacity. Number 30. Encyclopedia enrichment. Online searches are a modern go-to, but there's something reassuringly comprehensive about flipping through a well-researched encyclopedia's pages. That curated wealth of information feels authoritative and tangible. Number 31. Calculator watch niftiness. Smartphone calculators are convenient, but there's something delightfully handy about having an old calculator watch always strapped to your wrist for quick mental math. Number 32. Cable cozy. Sure, streaming is ultra-modern, but there's undeniable nostalgic comfort in simple cable TV packages. Flipping through familiar channels with friends and family still sparks easy entertainment. Number 33. Mechanical keyboard satisfaction. While membrane keyboards are common, true typing enthusiasts swear by the deeply satisfying tactile experience of a classic mechanical keyboard. That crisp, clicky feedback and durable build just hits differently. Number 34. USB drive data durability. Cloud storage is ultra-convenient, but there's still a case for the good old USB drive. Tossing one in your bag gives you a portable, unpluggable way to securely store and transport important files without internet dependency. The bottom line. In our pursuit of the latest tech and innovations, it's easy to cast aside nostalgic favorites. But those obsolete items became classics for a reason. Their quality, charm, and timeless satisfaction simply can't be improved upon. So go ahead, embrace your old-school love guilt-free. Their awesomeness is utterly irreplaceable. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description